Alright everyone, welcome back. We are looking at Quick. So Quick, you can see here on the chart, is in a bull flag pattern here. So we do have the MACD above the 0, RSI sitting right on top of the 50 there. So those look good. You are over the 200-day EMA. Your Heikin-Ashi candles are trying to print green here. So we want to see those get bigger with no shadow to give us confirmation that the price is actually reversing to the upside here. But as of now, you're in this bull flag pattern, and once the volume kicks back in, this thing's going to start moving higher. So what to watch for in the meantime, if you do end up pulling back, you can see you do have your 50-day EMA at 81 and your 618 down here at 80. So if you pull back and you hold either of those for support, you're still good in this pattern for that move higher at some point. So you're looking at about an 8 to about a 10.5% drop down here to about 81 or 80, depending on where you're going to end up. You could even drop down here to your 200-day EMA for about a 15% drop down here to about $76. So if you move down to about $76 on Quick, there's nothing to worry about. You're still good inside of this pattern here to bounce and move higher. So that would actually be a great buying opportunity if you were trying to time the bottom, which is almost impossible most of the time. So just kind of watch those prices to the downside for a bounce and a move up. And if you do in fact move up, we'll look at our measured move here in just a second here. But you can see you need to get over your 21, which is at 89, and your 786 at 94. If you move up and you do in fact get past those prices there and you hold that 786 for support, so if you're up here sitting at $95 and you're holding support at this flag, then that would be your confirmation that this thing is going to actually move higher. That would actually be your confirmation to buy in once you get that confirmation there. So you're looking at about a 6.5–7% move up here to get over this resistance. And once you do that, then you'll know these higher price targets are going to get hit. So you have 116 for about a 30% move, and then our macro resistance at 150 for about a 71–72% move, depending on where you are at in price. So with all that said, watch those prices there. If we take our measured move out of this flag here, you can see that takes us right up to our orange line up here where we've had this macro resistance at this 1272. So it takes us right up to the price we're trying to get at on Quick. So a break over 150 on Quick, then this thing's probably going to end up going to the moon, but that's your first macro resistance price to get over. So hopefully this flag here is going to actually give Quick a shot at that price. So just watch all those different targets that we talked about there, and just wherever you break to, whatever price it hits, it's going to tell you where it's going. So if you come down here and you break below the 200, below about $75, then you'll know this pattern's not playing out and you're coming down to these lower price targets. But I would say that these either one of these should hold for support on Quick here, and then just watch this 94, 95 to break, and you'll know you're moving higher on QuickSwap. So we'll leave it at that. Not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.